Hi guys! So for today's video, we will discuss about the awareness and preparedness that we can do when there's a geologic events or hazard that might happen in our country. So what are those geologic events or hazard that we can encounter in our country? First is earthquake, landslides, volcanic eruption, and tsunami. So, why Philippines encounter these kinds of geologic events or hazard? Simply, it's just because we are located in the Pacific Ring of Fire. So, here's Ishi will discuss about the types of plate boundaries.
There are three types of plate boundaries. First is the convergent plate boundary, and it happens when the two tectonic plates move toward each other, causing one lithospheric plate slide beneath to the other plate, and it is a process known as subduction. Second is the divergent plate boundary, and it occurs when the two tectonic plates move away to each other. And there are a linear feature that exists between the two plates, and the magma rises from Earth's mantle to the surface, solidifying to create a new crust or ocean crust. And it is a process known as solidification. And third is the transform plate boundary, and it happens when the two tectonic plates past one another or grinding. These boundaries are conservative. Plates transform faults at plate boundaries because no crust is created or destroyed. The plates are just moved past to each other.
So, here's Leo, Danilo, and Marginel who will discuss about the awareness and preparedness that we need to do and we need to know when there's a geologic event or hazard that we might encounter in our country.
Hello guys, I am Leo Angelo S. Villamar from 10 Mahogany. Today, I will share about the preparedness and awareness when earthquake happens. These are the preparedness and awareness that you should know and should do to keep you away from danger or any damages when earthquake happens. Preparedness. Make sure you have fire extinguisher, first aid kit, a battery-powered radio, a flashlight, and extra batteries at home. Learn first aid kit. Learn how to turn off the gas, water, and electricity. Learn the earthquake plan at your school or workplace. Stay calm. If you are indoors, stay inside. If you are outside, stay outside. Awareness. Stay indoors until shaking stops and it's safe to exit. Stay away from windows. In a high-rise building, expect the fire alarms and sprinklers to go off during a quake. If you're outside in an earthquake, find a clear spot away from building, trees, street lights, and power lines. Be alert and always listen to the radio and TV to learn what to do during an earthquake. And make sure you have a stock food in your house and keep safe and stay calm.
Technical tips you learn to preventing landslide. Staying at the path of a landslide or dead sea flow save life. Listen for your enemy usual sounds that might indicate moving debris, such as tree cracking or bone being knocking together. Such may indicate landslide activity upstream, so be prepared to move quickly. Don't be delayed. To preventing landslide, it is necessary to avoid blockage in the canal and evacuate to nearby evacuation centers to save family life in landslide.
Volcano eruption. If you are under a volcano warning, listen for emergency information and alerts. Follow evacuation or shelters orders. If advised to evacuate, then do so early. Avoid areas downstream of the eruption. Protect yourself from falling ash. Do not drive in heavy ash fall. Cloth masks help prevent the spread of COVID-19, but they will not adequately protect you from inhaling ash for longer periods of time like a respirator will. Respirators like an N95 are not meant to fit children. Due to COVID-19, it may be difficult to find respirators such as N95s. Volcano safety tips. Before, have your emergency kit ready for evacuation. Review the city's evacuation routes. Gas up your car and charge all devices. Stay tuned to the local media and NOAA USGS alerts. Cover windows and door opening inside the house. Stay indoors. During, evacuate or shelter in place. Do not drive if there's too much asphalt. Stay away from exclusion zone. Rivers downwind. Use an N95 respirator mask and goggles if needed. Do not run the AC or heater in the home. After, stay indoors until local officials say it's safe to leave. Assess the damage done to your home. Take photos. Remove ashes from your roof carefully. Here the safety tips of volcano eruption. Thank you.